Have a good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our light, the Emperor of Light Empire Tech. This tutorial is a beginner's guide on trading on Exness Trading App. So it's just beginner friendly training now to use Exness Trading App for trading. Alright, this is just a beginner's guide, which will help you to understand everything you know about Exness Trading App. So it's not just for beginners per se. So both beginners and experts, but the reason why I targeted beginners is so that you can have a sense that it is beginner friendly. Alright, I'm opening my Exness app right now, Exness Trading App. So I'll be logging in with my fingerprint. This is because I have installed it and I've used it before. So I actually logged in one of my old accounts. The first account I had actually with before I stopped using it, and I opened another account. This is due to personal reasons anyway, so I'll wait. I think I'm having a bad network. Okay, I'm on. Alright, this you're seeing right here, this is the page, the accounts page. That's the first page that is displayed upon opening the app. So I have this demo account open. It's a demo account which I have 246. It's a demo account anyway. Alright, so the first thing you have to understand is that this is the first interface that is displayed, which is the account tab. You can see below its account I have some tabs: accounts, trade, markets, performance, and profile. So, and I'll actually talk on each of them. I'll talk on each of them, and then I'll concentrate and majorly talk about how you can actually trade with this app. Alright, so this is the first page that is displayed. It shows the account that is open. Now I have my demo account open, and then when you go to the second tab, I go to trade. Below the screen, I click on trade. Right, and I have some tabs here: favorites, popular, top movers, majors, metals, crypto, and so on. Alright, these are favorites because I added them to favorites because these are the three major trades that major pairs that I trade. Alright, you can actually edit it, add or remove. So what I just did is that I clicked somewhere around here. So I clicked tab, so to add or to remove from favorites, and this is popular. Go to the popular tab. It's sorted by popularity. Gold is one of the most popular. Then I have Euro USD. I trade Euro USD and I trade USD JPY. These two, Euro USD and then USD JPY, and also finally I trade AUD USD majorly. So I trade other cryptocurrencies too, other cryptocurrency pairs rather, but not so much as I do with Euro USD, USD JPY, and AUD USD. Alright, this is the trade tab. So let's say I'm going to favorite. Let's say I want to trade AUD USD, Australian dollar versus US dollar. So I'll click on it, and then it shows the trade, the chart. Right, shows the chart, and this is after I must have had an account, whether a demo account or a real account. Right, before the end of this video I will show you how you can actually open an account. If it's a demo, for a beginner, you have to open a demo account first to actually practice before trading. I don't advise a beginner to jump into trading with real account. It's something will regret, except he is not a beginner. But if he's a beginner, it's advisable that he starts with a demo account when trading. Alright, so this is a demo account, and this is my chart. Alright, I click on one of the currency pairs that I want to trade, or whatever. I may not be a currency pair anyway, and I want to trade. So I click on it, and it's led me to the chart. So I'm going to be showing you some major the major parts of this chart. So I'm going to show you okay, so I'll go back to the chart. Right, I'll explain some of the tabs or all of the tabs that you need to know. Alright, so I will start from, I'll mark, I'll start from here, go here, go here, go here, go here, be here, and then the chart under this place, the overview, the indicators, and yeah, I think, and then this buy, sell, or sell, buy, whatever, and this place I may have to explain it too. And then aside from all that, um, there are other places I've not marked, like here and here. Okay, I think that is all. Alright, so I'll start from the first one. Alright, the first one, this is actually used, um it's actually used to remove or add a particular pair, a particular um currency pair that you're trading or whatever you're trading, to add or to remove from favorite. Because AUD is part of my favorite, so when I click on it, it removes it from my favorite, and then it's the star becomes, there's no black inner, whatever black there. When I put it again, it's part of my favorite again. So that is just that, that is not, it's not a big thing. And then this thing that looks like bag next to it, it shows my open order, pending order, and closed orders. So it shows all the orders that I've opened, that I've closed on the trading on this particular account, the demo account or the real account that I logged into. So I don't have any open or pending account, so closed. So it shows everything because I don't have open account, so it doesn't have any open orders. So let me do something. Let me just sell. I just sold. It's placing the order, and then when it's done, all right, order is placed. Sorry. Now that the order is placed, so once you click on this, it has open order. So that's open order. So it's selling, and I'm on point 13 USD loss, and then pending because there are no pending orders. Pending orders that once I'm open, that I'm waiting, that set I'm waiting to enter, that I have not entered, but because I've entered it, I've opened it, and then when I close it, it appears in the close orders. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. Alright, I told you it's a demo account, so I didn't lose my money per se on that trade. Alright, so the next is notification. You want to set an alert for a particular trade. All right, so let me set an alert for this, and I will show you what the alert means. So this bid price and ask price, see this bid price, let me explain it. Bid price, if you want to set an alert for this bid price, that means you are telling the trade that when this currency pair reaches this price or this level, notify me. So when it falls, this bid price is when it falls below the current price, and when it reaches this particular thing that I want to set. Right now it's on 0.68457. So if you click on this bid price, that means you are saying that when it reaches a particular point below the price that it is now, then notify me. So when it notifies you, that means you are saying that it should notify you when it gets to that price, so that you can perform a trade or do whatever, or you can use it to actually determine your next move in trade. All right, so riches, you can see something like riches right here, and then you can increase by clicking on this plus icon. So when it reaches, and then you click on this set alert, this recurring event, that means it should repeat every day or every time. For then the next one is valid for number of days, so you can click on it and increase or reduce the number of days. So I'm going to increase it to like 11 days, right? So recurring event, that means every day, daily alert. Right, this ask price, that means it should fall below the price that you are, and it gets to 0.68610 or whatever, and then ask price is above the current price. All right, it should fall go above the current price. All right, so that is for this alert. So once you are done, just click on set alert below the screen. And once you click on set alert, it sets your alert, of course. So once you click on this set alert, it sets the alert and notifies you, according to what it said. So you can clear all the alerts that you have set. If you have set something, of course, you can clear them right here by clicking on that particular button. So I'm going to just exit this, and then that's for that. And then the last tab up there is calculator. All right, this calculator shows you, I really love it. So it shows you now. If you look at something here, it shows the instrument AUD USD. That's the currency pairs or the instrument I'm trading, buy, sell. So it tells you, okay, you can see volume lot 0.01. That's at 0.01 lot size, and this is the leverage I have on my account. There are other videos on my channel about leverage I can check, and I will also make some more videos that I can know what leverage is or what it means. Right, open at the current price order, the current market price rather. So the current market price is that open at, and then the close at $10 profit in USD. Now I will explain this. Close at, that means you want to set a price that, okay, I will enter this trade at this price, but I want my order to close by the time I achieve $10. So when you achieve $10, it will now tell you that for you to achieve $10, this is where the market price must be. So there are margin, you can see margin, that black part, margin spread, p value, swap, volume, and profit, the US dollar. That means this profit, you can see profit 10.00 US dollar, it will be at 694.65. 0.694 now it's changing because the current market price is also changing. So for you to arrive at this $10, it will also change. So once you enter, you know that okay, for me to achieve $10, this is where the market price must reach in buy or in sell. So this is in buy. So you can actually change this. Let's say $5, and then you click on mark, and then it tells you profit, the black area. Profit for you to achieve $5, then the market price must be at this place. So this helps you to calculate, to guide, and you can also change this close at the profit in USD. You can also change it to loss in percentage, loss in pips, loss in USD, profit in pips, profit in percent, and and can also set it as a price. So once you set it as price, so at this particular price, so when you get to this market price, to tell you how much you would have been making by then. So $5.0 is at this price. So let me change this to like 9. Let's say 992. See, so at this price you're making $14.63 if market reaches this particular price that I set. So that is for this calculator. It helps you to know that okay, if I set my take profit or I stop my trade at this particular market price, how much will I have gained, how much will I have lost, how much should I expect that okay I will have made or I will have lost if the market reaches this price from the current market price. Okay, that is that on that. And then this is 5 minutes, this 5 m is 5 minutes, that's the market time frame. And then this is candle. If you want to change the candlestick, if you don't want to, you want to use bars or hollow candles, but the one that is currently there is candle or candlestick. And then the next is indicators. Indicators, you can also, it helps you to set indicators on the chart. So you can watch my videos on indicators so you can understand what indicators are or how to use indicators. And then settings, you can decide to set, I may decide that okay, the look on the screen is the white and black thing. I don't really like it, so I want to change. So for the body, let's say I want to change the buy to blue and then the sell to red. Of course it shows like that. And then the border, that's the border around those things. So let me change this to, let me say I want to change this to green, so it gives me green border. For the cell I want to change it to, let's say, okay, let me just leave it as red so it becomes more red. Right, and the wick are the lines above or below the candlestick. So I'm going to change the wick to yellow, something like this, so you can see the wick. This yellow is very, because the white background is white, so that's why it's not showing so well. And then the last place here is to make it a full screen or exit the full screen. So that is not so hard to understand. And okay, below the screen I have sell buy. So this is your entire trade, whether you want to sell, you want to buy. So I'm going to sell now. So it's this, I will have to set my lot size here. I'm increasing and I'm reducing right now, so I can change it. You can decide not to trade in lots but in price, USD. So this particular price, and then you sell at the price, or you just lots. I think many people more relate more with lot size, so it's better to use lots, especially for a beginner, right? Even expert. For me, I just use, I don't use USD price. I don't. Right. So I'm creating a lot size, and then I'll confirm sell or confirm buy, And when I do that, the order is placed, and then I'll wait for my trade, to go in whatever direction. That is that, and then okay. Okay, that is the major training about trading in this app. So if there's anything I forgot to mention, of course I will do another video so that it can make it complete. So I'm going to exit the chart so I can show you other parts. So markets, this market, It contains a lot of things, top movers, at the top of the screen, and then we have trading signals. So Exness give trading signals. I'm going to do a video on trading signals by Exness. It is good, but it's not so advisable. I'm not, saying you shouldn't use it, but if you have to use it, you have to, be able to actually master it first and knowing how it works before using it. So as a beginner, don't jump into using Exness, signals. Just okay, Exness saying that this trade will buy and then you enter buy. It's going to lead you to a lot of trouble, but it actually works. It works well. Seriously, it works well if you know how to actually analyze it. And I would advise that people use it for confirmation. Use it to confirm your trades after you have analyzed your analysis, your technical analysis, or whatever fundamental analysis, whatever, and then you use this to confirm, to know, okay, will this thing actually work for me? Okay, I've analyzed that this thing is going, and then check if they are okay. For example, you predict that this thing will buy, and then Xnext, what you're seeing on Xnext is the trade will buy, so you can use to confirm, okay, that means it will probably buy. All right, it has upcoming events, news, latest news. All right, for fundamental analysis, even as technical analysis, as a technical analyst, I use this too. I use the news from Xnext. It actually works so well for me. And then performance, of course, this is the performance of your trade in the last few days, all real accounts, because I've not been using this account, but I'll go to archive, or I've traded on it before, archive, so I'll cover so these are the accounts that I've had in the past, so I'm covering the balance, so for some reason it's okay. Alright, so and then last profile, so this is just my profile, whatever. So it's a verified account, balance is a 0.32 and then total $1.88.02. Alright, so this is just the end of the video on trading, beginner's guide to trading on Exness Trading App. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, please give a thumbs up, like the video, comment on what you need to know, or what you feel to add to the video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and share this video so that people and people you don't know can also benefit from it if it demands. Thank you. I love you. This is Light Empire. Take kind of Albert Light, the Emperor of Light.